Tuloy na
Pwede na ba magtanong?
Yeah.
Hindi, okay, kay, ano muna, of course, kay Direct Stig muna. Alam mo, Direct Stig, congrats kasi parang meron na kayo agad sure audience dito dahil, dahil ang dami talagang naghihintay sa kanila ng follow-up. Pero sabi nga ni Rian kanina, hindi na siya follow-up, comeback na, di ba? So, okay. So, may pressure din ba? Kasi kahit na napakatagal na, sabi nga ni Kuya Lord, 9 years ago na pala yung The Race Man, may pressure din ba na parang ating sa kanilang dalawa, yun yung susundan, yung tapos baka hanapin yung mga characters din nila dun sa dating teleserye.
Siyempre, oo, grabe yung pressure din sa akin kasi sobrang, it's a groundbreaking teleserye siya for me, lalo na at that time. And I think maraming LGBT na nagustuhan yung teleserye. So malaki siyang pressure sa akin kung paano ko at least ma-maintain, hindi man lang higitan or ano, yung kanilang pagsasama dun sa pelikula. Because chemistry-wise, I think andun na siya andun na They work together, they're good friends, and iba pa yung masabi ko. So, I mean, so nandun na yung chemistry nila. So, andun na lang ako sa kwento. Kung ano yung aabangan natin dun sa kanilang next na pagkasama.
Do you think it helps na itong dalawa kasing ito parang wala naman nagdagaw na they are really straight girls na, di ba? Di ba?
You'll never know. It's not the end of the world.
So, question pa pala to, question. Pero do you think it helps although given na din naman na pareho silang mahuhusay na actress, pero it helps ba yung confidence na meron kasi sila in portraying their characters as, of course, member of LGBT?
I think, lalo na, it's easier for them definitely kasi nagawa na nila yon So they just have to bring back that feeling, siguro, of bring back that feeling, yung kanilang ginawa noon. So, mas ngayon, dapat lang, I think it won't be a problem, to be honest. And I'm very confident with that because we've been talking to each other, nag-ano na rin kami about the story, nag-discuss na kami, and I feel na, and I'm very, very confident na chemistry-wise, wala ng problema. It's really kung ano yung mga characters nila, how are they gonna portray it? Kasi it's very different from, from the
Rich Man.
yes, the Rich
Sana
Man's
po-
stuff.
sana
Sana
po
pumasa
direct.
kami direct.
Ha?
Sana pumasa kami din sa expectations.
Tingnan natin. may number 2 naman, di ba?
May option pala.
May option, oo. May option.
Ka na magsunod.
Briefly lang po, ano yung mga character niyo dito? At saka anong klase siyang
Kwento.
anong klase siyang drama or rom-com ba siya? Anong klase siyang GL actually?
It's a murder mystery. Mali pala, mali mo. Black comedy. But it's a romantic drama and it's really about Anne. Anne will be played by Glyza. She's a resorts owner in Bataan, this big resort na to, makikita nyo sa movie na to, napakaganda
Kami
nitong
pala
resort na
yan,
to.
so sama kami. Tama.
Yes! Pwede, kasya kayo lahat.
Doon yung express ko.
Yes. So she's a resort owner and she's been dealing with a divorce and for 10 years meron siyang karelasyon. So broken-hearted siya, so tinuon na lang niya lahat ng attention niya dito sa resort na ito. But kaya nga yung title, hence the title, I Fell, It's Fine.
Ganda ng title.
Oh, thank you so much. Dahil may bumagsak, literal may na-fall. may bumagsak from the sky. I won't reveal yet the world kung sino
So
man ito.
dyan pala papasok ang fantasy.
Yes, may bumagsak.
Nature garden ba yun?
Beauty ang pumato.
Let's see. Pero merong dumating na later on she will be named Chicks to be played by Miss Rian Ramos. And she's an ethereal someone, a woman, na bumagsak mula sa eroplano. Hindi, joke lang po. Sa mula sa taas. So, from there, magkakaroon ng ibang relationship silang dalawa because coming from si Chicks, iba yung sa mundo niya eh. Who talks about gender, about being a woman, being a man, iba yung kanyang sensibility sa world niya. Because everything is equal, love is genderless sa world niya. So when she arrived dito sa Earth, doon ako question yung magkaiba sila ng sensibilities. But then, yun din mabe-break din ng character ni Liza because dun rin siya, they learn from each other and most likely mas si Liza yung mas natututo dito kay Chicks. Yeah.
Thank you, Direk.